HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hello kids, let's make construction tools today. Let's begin with making a hammer. That was easy, wasn't it? Now let's color it in. Let's use red, and yellow to color the hammer. Now let's make pliers. Are you with me? Now let's paint them in. Let's use blue, yellow, let's use red, let's make a screwdriver. Now let's color the screwdriver. Let's use pink, teal, and yellow to color the screwdriver. Only a few more tools to go. Let's make a saw. We can use magenta, and yellow to paint it. Let's make a paint roller and color it in with pink, blue, and green for the handle. This is so much fun! Let's make a paintbrush. We can use colors like yellow, teal, and purple, That was easy, wasn't it? Few more to go. Let's make a spanner. And color it red. Last one to go. Let's make a shovel. And color it teal, green, and magenta. And we are ready with our construction tools. Didn't you have fun?